Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Coach Chris coming at you on October 1st with a recap of yesterday's trading, which would have been Monday, September 30th, I believe. It was kind of a crazy day. I actually really did great. The indicator helped us in a couple of trades. There was some garbage price action, obviously, throughout the day, but for the most part, we caught quite a bit of movement. This is a 2-minute chart of the MNQ December expiration, and this is the AccuTrader.net system. We've been seeing some really nice price action pre-market recently, and I don't know what to attribute that to, but normally we like to see more volume than we're getting pre-market, but had some really nice trades triggered, like in the 10 to 20 point range with some follow through. This yesterday was at 5:30 a.m. Central Time. Triggered a really nice short, 25 points within just a few minutes. It pulled back to the basis line, but it never really. I have this bar here just to show you. If you would have entered right when we got triggered into the trade right there, you can see we never even got back to break even. We were positive the whole way. These X's you see here are the take profit recommendations that the system gives off. They're green on the shorts and they're red on the longs. And so this first take profit was... what is it in there? 20 in the 20 point range within like 2 minutes, which the system is designed to trigger when we get the momentum. It's up to the market to give us the follow through, and in this case, we actually did get the follow through. Like I said, it pulled back, never really closed above that basis line, and then we got a couple additional nice pushes down. Second take profit, 40 some points, 60 points, and ultimately down to 90 points. There was news yesterday, I believe at 7:30, and you can see here at 7 o'clock, there was a little push up, but then the fireworks were right at the open. You could see it went nice 70 point push, and then at 9 a.m. we got a really nice short of 70 plus points very rapidly, and here again never took any heat on the trade. It did pull back, almost got back to break even, but then with the thrust it came down really nicely. Then we had a lot of consolidation, a couple of small trades, but what I wanted to focus on was this activity in the afternoon. It was insane. It was, I think it was, what was it, right around 1 o'clock? There was this huge sell-off. I mean, just insane. Went down 130 plus points in, just a short period of time, within like a half hour, maybe 20 minutes even. And I just had the feeling, I caught part of this trade to the downside. I just didn't, never in a million years thought it was going to continue on. But what I did catch was the retrace. In fact, I put my first entry somewhere on this side of the trade on the way down, and then I picked up another one here. Obviously, I didn't hold it to all the way up here, but I had a feeling it was going to retrace, and when it got about 3/4 of the way back up on the retracement, I got out. But look at the follow through that ended up. I mean, it went up an additional 130 points. So I mean, it was really some crazy price action. Will we get that today? There's a good chance. We've got some news coming out this morning. There's some economic issues like this longshoreman strike that's being threatened. So there should be some really, really good price action again today. But just be cautious also, because you can see how quickly this came right out of the blue. You know what I mean? And then, of course, you're going to get this big retracement always. So just try and stay on the right side of the trade. Don't get greedy and try to hold for every single penny. If you miss out on a little bit, it's no big deal. I mean, you, you, you can make just as much, right, trading smart, because the one time you hold out and then it retraces quickly on you, you're going to lose way more than you make on the times that you are just a little conservative, take the decent profit. I mean, okay, let's just look at this trade for instance. Okay, it ultimately went down 130 points. Okay, let's just say you got out here at 100 points. I mean, are you going to be satisfied? Of course you are. I mean, on a $2 contract, one micro, that's $200, in 20 minutes. And if you trade larger than that, you do the math on it, So just don't get greedy. Take what the market is giving you and trade safe. And you live to fight another day and keep making money. So good luck trading today, guys. Coach Chris out.